Okay, here we go. You can see some ducks down here. Wood ducks by the looks of things. As you can see, they're only tiny. Probably only about 4 days old. I'll keep a track of these little buggers. See how they go. Little chickies, little wood ducks. Okay, it looks like there's about 8 or 9 of them. Beautiful little birds they are. You can tell male and female, male on the right, female on the left.
Can't see any babies around. Oh, I hope something didn't get them. Let's see if there's any babies around. Oh, there they are. There they are. I'm trying to catch up to them. I'll go in the water. Looks like there's still about 9 of them there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's about 9. They're going straight for the water. A couple of weeks old now. Thought they'd be around somewhere. That's good. They're breeding there well. Hopefully they keep going. Yeah, there's 9 of them.
See if I can get around them a bit without disturbing them too much. Try and get a bit closer so you can see what they really look like. I'm a fair distance at the moment. The gimbal only zooms in so much with your phone. But they're grown. Just taking it nice and easy, they are. What a life.
You can probably notice how they've grown in the last 4 days, 5 days. They've more than doubled their size. Going real quick.
Well, looks like they're heading down to the river, old creek. There goes the female, there goes the male. There's a couple of ducks hanging around, so they're trying to scare them out. So they can get their babies in the water.
And the mother calling out. So it's safe up this way. There goes the father chasing away another male. He's protecting the young ones here at the moment. Oh, that's not the mother. The mother's over here. She's sitting here. Okay, that's one of the other females that's making that noise at the back. Not that noise. I won't walk any closer to them. Oh, slowly, but very regular steps. And see how close I can get without them going in the water and just staying on the side of the edge there. He's taking them up the hill. They might not mind the old video of them, so I'll get my bright side. And that's great, 9 of them all there. So that's a recount. Even their wings are starting to come through, the feathers are starting to come through. I haven't seen them for 5 days, and no word of a lie, they've tripled their size. I'm looking at them and they're bigger than double. near enough look and see which one the males and the female ones are at the moment. The male standing right here. I'm sure I don't get any closer. Fat and healthy by the looks of things, that's for sure. So we're going to go for a bit of a walk. A little bit safer.
Okay, as you can see, off they go into the water. Like baby emus they look. When they're young anyway. Yeah, in the dip. Away they go. They don't like getting cornered. So probably about 8 metres from them. 8-9 metres. Up the creek they go.
Welcomed by the mother and the father of the young ones. I'll probably go up the bank this time soon. Thought they might do that. Oh yeah, no, that's okay. Up the hill on the other side, they say. Said you're buggering us. You're not going to get us. So we'll take the kids on the other side. Okay then, fair enough.
As you can see, very healthy looking birds. Nice and fat. There must be plenty of food in the water for them. Not quite half the size of their parents, half the size yet. Oh, I was lucky here. The phone actually was facing more up the river, so something must have hit my phone while I was walking up the stream. I was going to try and get this shot here, just to see what they do coming back down this way without me being there with just the camera. So yeah, it moved, but got a little bit of a flutter there anyway. Okay, as you can see, they've grown a little bit in a few days. I'll try and keep track of my days, but I'm just everywhere at the moment. But so they're not far away from leaving their parents here. They're not as tall as their parents. Probably a couple more days, a few more days, and they'll get their feathers, and yeah, they'll be flying away with all the others. One day they might come back here and breed with another duck. So there is a lot of families here of them, so yeah. Okay everybody, I've come back for the last time, I think, by the looks of things. There's only 3 birds left, 3 ducklings. You can see they've got their wings there. They're probably the last of the lot that actually have probably flown away. So in a matter of short distance of time they've been growing, they're just about ready to fly away. So yeah, probably about 7 weeks and they're flying, so yeah. Yeah, so give it a few more days and they'll be showing their true colours, whether they're female or male. But yeah, grown up, ready to go. They do look like a male there, one with dark head. So yeah. I like behind the tree this year. A bit windy today, sorry guys. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed a little clip of the life of the wood duck. Spent as much time as I could down here. Got a few photos and seen them grow up from little chicks to bigger chicks. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed, and we'll catch you all another time. Thanks a lot. Bye.